everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Serifakera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, that is chapter number 39, Odd One Out. ये चीज़ तो हम बचपन से अपनी हर क्लास में करते ही आ रहे हैं और सबसे इजी गेम होता था पढ़ने का. इसमें आपको odd one out select करना है. And here they have asked you to circle the odd one out. For example, they have mentioned here pen, eraser and house. Which one is the odd one? We try to find the similarities in the given object. इनमें क्या similarities है? All of them are stationary items except for the word house. So, what is the odd one out? The odd one out is house. Similarly, we will do here in all the rest of the questions also. So, let's begin with the exercise part. And the first question they have given over here is rose, orange, jasmine and sunflower. So, rose, jasmine and sunflower, they all are flowers, whereas orange is a fruit. So, the odd one out is orange. Then next we have doctor, nurse, mechanic and a pathologist. H is not there. G-I-S-T, pathologist. So here, which one is the odd one out? Obviously the mechanic. He doesn't have to do anything with the doctors and nurse. Next we have Dora, Shin-chan, Goofy and television. Well, Dora, Shin-chan and Goofy, they all are the names of cartoon characters, whereas television is not a cartoon character. Hence your answer, the odd one out is television. Fourth we have silk, metal, cotton and wool. Now here, silk, cotton and wool, they all are fibers and metal is not a fiber. Then fifth one is grass, tiger, lion and panther. Here grass is the odd one out, whereas tiger, lion and panthers are the wild animals of the jungle. Then next we have the sixth one, Apple, Sony, Samsung and Cadbury's. Now Apple, Sony and Samsung are the names of the brands of the companies who make electronic gadgets, whereas Cadbury's is a brand which makes chocolates and toffees or candies, etc. So this is the odd one out here. Next we have chocolate, candy, flour and toffee. Now chocolate, candy and toffee are the products, whereas the flour is the raw material for making those, and hence it's a odd one out. Eighth is coffee. Then we have water, juice and cake. Well, coffee, water and juice, they all are the three liquid items, whereas cake is not a liquid item. Hence cake is the odd one out. Let's move to the ninth question now. The ninth question given over here is Polo, car, Swift, I-10. Now, which one is the out of the among the four? Polo, car, Swift or I-10? And the answer is car. Rest of them are name of the cars. So, this is odd one out. 10th is eraser, book, toy and a paper. Eraser, book and paper, they are all stationary items related to studies, but toy is not anything related to study. It is a means of playing. So, this one is odd one out. 11th is banyan, ashoka, plant and neem. Banyan, ashoka and neem are the names of the plants, whereas plant is nothing. So, we will circle it out. So, this one is again odd one out. 12th is table, chair, banana and sofa. Table, chair and sofa are the furniture, whereas banana is an eatable product or it's a fruit. Hence, this is an odd one out. Next we have cricket, football, jersey and baseball. So, jersey is not a game. This is the odd one out. Next is sari, turmeric, trousers and shirt. Shirt, trousers and sari are all clothes, whereas turmeric is a spice जिसको हम हल्दी भी बोलते हैं. Haldi, this is used in kitchen. Starfish, octopus, seahorse, kangaroo. Now starfish, octopus and seahorse, they all are found in the sea or the water, whereas kangaroo is a animal which lives on land. So hence, this way we have circled out all the odd one outs among them, and hence the chapter is over. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.